So today I'm going to make another variation of green salsa. This is something that my family did a lot growing up. We'd take green salsa, cut up fresh avocado, onion, cilantro, give it a mix. It was perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, chips and salsa, on tacos. It all works and it's so good. To get started with this green salsa, I'm going to be using a small piece of onion, 2 medium to large tomatillos. You'll want to remove the husk and give them a rinse. As you can see, it does have debris on it. I'm also going to be using 2 jalapenos and 2 cloves of garlic. You'll want to leave the husk or the skin on because I'm going to saute this and I don't want it to burn, so be sure to do that. In a preheated pan over a medium to medium-high heat, I'm adding just a little bit of cooking oil, and now I'm going to add my fresh ingredients. I'm going to saute these and get some charring on the exterior. It is going to take around 5 minutes or so, probably something like 10. And the onion, this is all the onion that I had left, so I just cut a small piece for the salsa, and the rest I'm going to chop up and add it fresh later. So I'm just going to turn and saute this. The onion and garlic seems to get charred a lot quicker because of the sugar content, so you'll want to remove those first. But this is what you're looking for on the jalapeno and the tomatillo. You want charred exterior like this. So I'm just going to keep going until it's done. Now that everything is sauteed and charred, I'm going to remove the skin from the garlic, and I'm also going to remove the stem from the jalapeno. And then this is going to go in the blender. Now I'm going to add 1½ teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder, or you can just add salt to taste. I'm adding 1/4 cup of water and a pinch of salt. You'll want to season to taste. So now I'm just going to blend and puree. Okay, so this is done. Now I'm going to add this to a bowl. You'll want to, again, taste for any salt or seasoning. A lot of the chicken bouillon and salt to this is really to your preference and taste. So now here are the fresh ingredients. I'm adding fresh chopped onion, and I'm adding 2 scallions chopped. If you don't like cilantro, you can add extra scallion, because I know some people taste soap with cilantro, but I'm adding some cilantro and 1 small avocado that I cut into chunks, and now you just give it a mix. Now, if you know you're making this ahead of time, you might want to add a squeeze of lime, because the avocado does oxidize the more it is exposed to air, but this goes so quick when we're eating tacos, and so we never really added lime to it. So here I have some leftover carne asada that I'm reheating with some corn tortillas. If you want a carne asada recipe, I will link it below because I've done several. But this is it. I'm just going to make some tacos for lunch with this salsa, and it's so good. So please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and check out some of my other recipes on my channel. I sure would appreciate it. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching!